Eating these 5 foods can help you stop snoring. 1. Tofu. Tofu is a food that comes from East Asia. It's prepared through a process of coagulating and pressing soy milk in a similar way as cheese is prepared from milk. It's characterized by its soft texture and white creamy color, in addition to its high nutritional content and low calories. Although it's known as a food to help lose weight healthily, it's also a good remedy against continuous snoring. This is because it relaxes the throat and allows your breathing to be continuous and smooth during sleep. 2. Honey. Valued for its high content of essential nutrients and natural sugars, honey is an excellent food to combat many disorders that affect the quality of sleep. Since it softens the throat and airways, it's ideal for preventing snoring associated with congestion. In addition, ingesting it stimulates the production of melatonin, a chemical that induces deep sleep and repair. 3. Oily fish. All varieties of oily fish contain large amounts of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which brings many health benefits when absorbed into the body. Eating this type of fish at least twice a week cleans the arteries, reduces excess cholesterol and prevents the development of cardiovascular disorders. In addition, it's a good dietary supplement for those who struggle against snoring, as its natural fats relax the throat muscles and decrease respiratory difficulties. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfurous substances that, after being absorbed, decongest the respiratory tract and prevent the development of infections. When eaten raw, it exerts an anti-inflammatory effect in the throat, diminishing the annoying respiratory sounds snoring produces when sleeping. 5. Olive oil. Considered as one of the best fats that we can include in our diet, olive oil is a good remedy against uncomfortable and recurring snoring. It's rich in essential fatty acids and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to give you better quality sleep. They do this by preventing the obstruction or narrowing of the respiratory canals. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.